Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn your non-smart TV into a smart TV. Alright, let's begin. If you have an older or non-smart TV, you may not be able to download apps, stream shows, or use the internet. The easiest and cheapest way to fix this is by using a TV streaming stick. One popular option is the Amazon Fire TV Stick. This small device plugs directly into your TV and gives you smart features instantly. To set it up, plug the TV stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. If space is tight, you can use an HDMI extender. Next, connect the power cable to the TV stick and plug the other end into a wall outlet or a USB port on your TV. Once everything is connected, turn on your TV and press the source or input button on your TV remote. Select the HDMI port where the TV stick is connected. Your TV stick will now appear on the screen. Follow the on-screen setup steps, which include connecting to Wi-Fi and signing in. So that's basically how you can turn your non-smart TV into a smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks!